Guys, welcome back to my channel. New latest creative crochet decorative pattern for crochet. Beautiful cards and whistles and different styles, color combination as a gifting idea. Most beautiful and latest styles looks. So I hope you like it my video. And creating a crochet whistle can be a fun and creative. A review start with a basic pattern for a small car or truck and experiment with different colors and stitches to customize it. Happy crocheting. And um, different and latest including crochet uh, including and whistles. How where if you have question about crochet techniques or need different styles and ideas with specific aspect of your project, feel free to for comment section and mention me comment section for your feedback and response. There are some ideas relative crochet pattern and crochet fruits, vegetables, and crochet earrings, crochet